Close.
Did it stop first?
No, go.
Okay.
Go, 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 go. Get closer, get closer.
Okay.
You're good. Go, 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 go. There you go. There you go. Get closer, get closer. Go, go, go. Go, go. One more. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Stop.
Yep, that's it.
You felt it already pushing back?
Yeah.
Alright.
But I could tell it was a fairly gentle thing, just like when you're talking about on the throttle. You have a lot more control than I originally thought.
You have a lot more control with the throttle than you do with the steering. Because as soon as you're
It's
steering,
a very responsive steering system on this car.
alright, go for it. Go, 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 go. Go,